So this particular one, if you want to write WAEC or JAM, this particular will not concern you. But you with the 100 level. In fact, if you don't pass 100 level, you will not say when you've been there 100 level. Tell me the truth. You know, say this one, and one of the strong maths will give you problem. When you do 100 level, these principles of mathematical induction, principles, all right, principle, yeah, concern me, sir. They write a shortcut na PMI, principles of mathematical induction. Now, one of the strong mathematics will worry you for year one. Even me when I did secondary school, I not been do for that mathematics. I know sabi am. Now year one, two, way me I can learn now. But people inside year one in the struggle. So now some of us where our tutorial will explain and where now I feel people they scared through. Even when I did for the teach for ND, like national diploma, higher national diploma, like for polytechnics now, and my ND people I break this thing down for them. When I go higher institutions, go lecture too, I break this thing down. So I want no be say they advise my lecturers will teach me or no be advice. Now beg at the beg. Say, say some of these people, these children, they know to sabi the mathematical jargon. Now, if you say as you want to use the jargon, now you will want to define PMI. If a proposition is true for n equal to k and its validity is all those kind of things, then since it is true for n equal to k and it should be true for n equal to k plus, they no go understand. They no go ever understand. You waste your time, talk all those grammar finish. When you finish everything, you will work out out. You go to see you don't be successful. But if you don't deliver a lecture, go now, but them they will confuse. Now we can't they add more problem to the country. So I beg our lecturers, I beg when they try understand say if you want to use those grammar now for people where they study math where they final year, use them for them because you reach where they're supposed to use the terminology because now their feed be that. So make it do my beg. So they say show that 1 times this thing no be decimal point too. 1 times 2 we go give you 2 plus but you no go multiply you they just tell you the series how you connect reach and until you can reach n into n plus 1 equal to 1 over 3 n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. They say make you show say this particular one is true for all positive integers of n. Time no dey to write all the question. Let me just shortcut and say show that this is equal to this. So we want to show say the left hand side will be equal to what you get for the right hand side. When we see say the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, we go conclude say n equal to k plus 1 or n equal to 1 or n equal to k is true for all positive integers of n. But before you do that thing, no say no be every time n equal to 1 must be true. If the left hand side no give you what you get the right hand side, then n equal to 1 is never true. So if you know they true for n equal to 1, you go check for n equal to k. That one an assumption. Then you go also show proof for n equal to k plus 1. But make me not talk plenty as I talk. Make we just solve them because plenty people don't get problem with this one. I don't see the request plenty. Let me get the honor and right now. So solution. See what I will do first. I go first say the first one. I will say step 1. Step 1. Show that n equal to 1 is true. I was saying for all positive integers of n, but when we leave grammar alone, I avoid them. So now what you go do is say, if you check the series 1.2 plus 2.3 plus 3 times 4 now times or actually plus this LC's plus that dot plus and that means anywhere you see n, put 1. You know, say step 1, you remember now, step 1 and step 2, they always hard for students. If they rush enter, when you reach step 3, you don't hang. Or some people just do reach where their level reach. But you never for once see when you do them, so you see the left hand side equal to the right hand side. You never for once. But I will show you for this particular place. I'm making me to share this video, like and follow me if you never follow me. So what you go do for the step 1? We want to say n equal to 1 is true. So what you do, start from here. If I be you to, I will start from the beginning. Where you get 1, you just say they always stress person to they rewrite all these things. Some people they like start from here. But you guys do the thing the way we supposed to do. Plus anywhere you see n, because they say show that n equal to 1 is true. Anywhere you see n, you put 1. 1 into 1 plus 1. You see, so when we do this thing finish, if the left hand side here give us what you did the right hand side, the same number, you will say n, and you must tally with the first thing we get here. Remember 1 times 2, now 2. So what I expect when I do this thing finish, now 2 for the both side. If you don't give me 2 for the both sides, then n equal to 1 is not true. Let's do it. So equal to 1 over 3 times 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. Okay, so make we just run the right hand side, left hand side to show if the left hand side and right hand side are the same. From this particular place, you notice say 1 plus 1 are 2. 1 times 2 will give you 2. For this other side, check. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 are waiting. 3 abi. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 6, 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. Madam, again, I know you don't confuse. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3. Call answer for me now. 1 plus 2, 3 abi. Keep that one outside. Remember, bracket na times, so keep that 3 outside. 1 plus 1, 2. You know, say 2 of them will multiply now. So 2 times the 3 we get here, na 6. Then 1 times the 6 we get, na 6. 1 again times the 6, na 6. That means 6 dey up, 3 dey down. 6 divided by 3, share na 2. So you can see say the left hand side na equal to, because you see, conclude them, always conclude since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then you can conclude say n equal to 1 is true. You don't finish for step 1, you don't get your full mark. Step 2. Step 2 now the step where we dey assume. Step 2 now assumption. Assume that n equal to k is true. And anything where you just be like you dey assume, just assuming say I dey London there. Assuming say I dey London. Wetin I go do? I go just wake up from sleep, because I no dey London. I dey Lagos here. They do video for you, so I just assume. So if you assume that n equal to k, it means anywhere you see n, you go put k. And when you put k inside anywhere you see n, you go leave am like that, because na assumption you just make. So we can't assume say n equal to k is true by assumption. No, n equal to k is assumed to be true. Okay, so now you can say I say case 1 and case 2, or step 1 and step 2, they too sweet. Now step 3, now they cut neck. And that's all of now they wait for that step 3. I go finish work. Wait, just your own business. If I finish and like and share, even I will get problem with you. Okay, so make we do am here. 1.2, I don't, let's call this thing points. Then at times, so plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus dot 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 plus anywhere I see n, I will put k, because we do on the step 3 we assume that n equal to k. K into k plus 1 equal to 1 over 3k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. So here now you can say n equal to k, therefore n equal to k is assumed true. I don't finish for case 2. Step 3. Step 3, they prove from the assumption we don't make above, you go show, you go prove say from the assumption we don't make above, you go prove, let me be the show, you go prove say n equal to k plus 1 is true for all positive integers of n. So what I go do now be say step 3 will say show that, I'm not going to write plenty grammar, show that n equal to k plus 1. Make we keep them simple. You see, they do all this mathematical p of k, all those kind of, I avoided these things so that make we for understand the math first. Later, we on the So what you go do now? For this step 3 now, they say make you assume say show that n equal to k plus 1. Listen, no, now yeah, the wall day. Go back to step 2. Remember, say I said from the assumption you made, show that assumption where you make assumption, no be step 2. Show that n equal to k plus 1 is true. So come to this step 2. Copy everything we did for this place. Copy everything we get for this step 2 first. Copy and first, just follow instruction. So I get 1.2 plus 2.3 plus 3 times 4 is times, no be point. Plus dot 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 plus k into k plus 1. That be the first thing. Plus, now be the main thing now. When you copy the first thing, add plus. When you copy this first thing, we see for under step 2, copy and finish, add plus. Then come back to the original question, where is always a cn into n plus 1. Yeah, now remember this step now, they say n equal to k plus 1. So you go increase from this one down to, you go increase from k to k plus 1, from k plus 1 to k plus 2. Now make we first copy all these things we did for step 2, put down. For the left hand side though, come add plus, since it increases from n equal to k plus 1. Then come to this place now. Anywhere you see n, put k plus 1. You go see say it don't increase from k to k plus 1, from k plus 1 to k plus 2. Watch. I can't get here. In place of this n, I will get k plus 1 into, here I'll get k plus 1, maybe this one, no, plus the one we already did for this place, equal to. And what does it make you do with that? Then what of this one? It's simple. Anywhere you see n, oh, somebody asked me, what of this one? No, leave this one. And at the left hand side, why I talk about this one, you go still make use of this one. No, wait, I will show you. No rush. You go make use of this one. I will show you. It's not make you do this one now, because in place of this one now, you carry this thing now, can't replace this guy here. So no worry, I will show you. So now come back to this particular one. Since you don't substitute this one, maybe for this one. Wait with that sound now. So carry this one, come here. Anywhere you see n, don't forget to put k plus 1. I can get 1 over 3 into k plus 1. I'll put that for bracket. Into this one, I'll get k plus 1 plus 1. Then this last one, space to the map here, into k plus 1 plus 2. Remember n, k plus 1, then plus the 2 already did there. Now, so I agree this one, n, k plus 1 plus this one we already did for this particular period. This n, now we just k plus 1. 1 over 3, now with this one. Also no confusion. Now, see what you need to do. From this particular point, to this particular point, see I'm here. Now all these things here, and they be equal to waiting. They be equal to this particular thing. Since all these things from here to here now equal to this guy, from here to here will be the same thing, now equal to this guy. Carry this guy, can't replace this man. So in place of this guy now, I will replace this one. Oh yeah, photocopy him. Carry and come this side. Carry and come. Paste here. 1 over 3 k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. You see, I don't copy this one, paste to replace this guy. This one now go comes here too, plus share na k plus 1 into k plus 2, because 1 plus 1 I will give you 2. If you like, if you put this one for bracket too, no while, if you don't put that for bracket too, no one. We need to expand anything. Watch as I go teach you this thing. You go enjoy them. Already by now you don't enjoy them now. 1 over 3 into k plus 1 into k plus this one, 1 plus 1, 2, into this one, k plus 3. I hope so you go see this one now. 1 plus 2 now 3. Let me get the last one to be k plus 3. I hope so they still see them for there, because yeah, I know if you see what they happen for back of the camera, front of the camera. I'll wait at the top, back now, front. I'll make you finish. You don't start this thing there now. Our concern now, want make sure say everything with there rhyme with the one with the left. The left hand side, the way you just see 2 there, 2 there, and so we want to make a rhyme. Like this, as it's there like this, you know rhyme now. Yeah, now 1 over 3k, yeah, you know rhyme. Make you start, leave this one, make you prove this left hand side, whether you give us exactly what you will do for the right hand side. So make you focus on the left hand side. Make you focus on the left hand side. From the left hand side, at the manage board, make you use this place, carry down. So now we will play with maths. Since I lie down on board, I won't really show you what they happen. Okay, so if you check this one, this first term, this one as second term, you notice say something they common. You notice how they see k plus 1 here, they see k plus 2 here, and they still see k plus 1 here, they still see k plus 2. That means k plus 1 k plus 2 is common to both sides. So if then they common, then what you will do, carry that one of them, k plus 1 into k plus 2, where they common to both sides. Then what you will call remain. If this one and this one common, it means you will carry them, put for outside. That means if I carry this one, come out here, put outside, what they remain? Now 1 over 3k plus, if I carry this one, come out here, put aside, what they remain? Now only one, no, some people will say na 0, no be 0. Now only one they remain, put that one here, put that one there. It shock you. Don't touch this one. I tell you, say, nice, make we, I feel still right equal to this one, no, still do this one, come down. But I just say make we just solve this one only. If we finish solve this one, and what we get for this one, give us exactly what we get here. Now me say the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Remember, I not touch the right, now the left I see the work on. So this one will give us, this particular thing we see here will give us. Now some of us don't know this particular math. Since we get common denominator, then I feel transform this 1 to be 3 over 3. You know, say 3 over 3. Nah, 1, nah, be. So now, what I'm going to do now, this one will come become k plus 1 into k plus 2. That means if I get here as 1 over 3, that means I'm literally saying that 1 over 3 from there, now they common. If you no carry your physical eye, they see 1 over 3 here. But if I figure out, say 1 over 3, now they common for this first term and second term, 1 over 3 they common. Now we say, what you go remain for this? If I remove 1 over 3 outside like this, what you go remain for this place? Now k. Then what you go remain for this particular place? Now 3 plus 3. Some people say, how? See, I'm now 3 times 1, now 3. Divide by this 3, it will give you this one. Now make I been tell you, you have that I was say, since they get common denominator, so change this 1 so that it will become 3 over 3. After all, 3 over 3 are the same thing as 1. You know when I talk am, here I be. So now they can't say inside you're waiting common 1 over 3 there. Say 1 times 3 na 3. I dey show you the secret wey they no go gree get time tell you. 1 times 3 na 3. So that 1 now over this 3, keep this 3 aside. 1 over 3, 1 over 3. Then come on now you carry and come outside. K and this 3 now go remain. Now be waiting and do here. The 1 over 3. Your eye don't open, abi? Or you like and share them. I know say before you be no plan to share. You share them now for this eye open now what I do for you. You don't share. You don't like them. Or yeah, now make you continue. So as you reach this point now, everything don't solve. Carry this 1 over 3, come front. As this one, they multiply by this one, they multiply by this one, they multiply by this one. You can do anything at any point in time. Waiting be wait at same do. Carry 1 over 3, make it come first. Make the no come compress down for their way day. You can say for here and I can say 1 over 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. This thing, check, you know rhyme with this one, is equal to this other one, 1 over 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Check, this one no rhyme with this one. If you rhyme, you can say since the left hand side is equal to right hand side, then you conclude say n equal to k plus 1 is true. So the math hard. No matter how they will twist this question or use Sigma notation, carry get all those things, and you go do them. It's simple. Now you never know the secret. I don't show you one of the secret. If you don't like this video and share them, make the thing go viral for all 100 level platform. All those people they 100 level, they will soon they write exam. Share them for that in a group chat. Make everybody come follow through the link, come watch and learn. Because when I say the share don't be viral, they don't go far. People don't comment and like and all those things. I go do part 2, part 3, part 4, do series of this thing. Now, finally, if you want to get more of this thing, go my YouTube channel. Go my YouTube channel, Instructor Allison's Tutorial. Then you will see plenty of these videos what I don't do. Then finally, if you want to join our March edition class, no cost. e no cost. Just check this my WhatsApp now. Go DM. As they DM, they come to come make payment. No come they ask me plenty question because the class it dey go where. I don't go like for you. It they go where. I need to come out here. Peace and love.